I hope you're doing great today. In this video, we're going to talk about common mistakes new Aviator players make, and most importantly, how you can avoid them using safe and smart tips. This video is purely educational. There are no guarantees here, just learning, observation, and better understanding of the game. Before we continue, please subscribe to the channel, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Thank you in advance. Mistake number 1. Playing without observation. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is jumping into the game immediately. Aviator is not a rush game. You need time to observe the history panel, understand how rounds are behaving, and notice whether the game is stable or unstable. Pro players always watch first. They don't hurry, they study. Mistake number 2. Lack of patience. Many new players lose patience very fast. They want quick action, quick results, and instant excitement. But Aviator rewards calm behavior. Sometimes the game stays in an unfavorable phase for a while, and patience is what protects you. If you are in a hurry, Aviator will feel very difficult. Mistake number 3. Misunderstanding patterns. Another common mistake is thinking patterns are guarantees. Patterns are not promises, they are indicators. They help you understand behavior, not predict exact outcomes. Sometimes a signal works perfectly. Other times it delays. Understanding this difference is very important. Mistake number 4. Overreacting to one round. New players often react emotionally to a single round. If one round doesn't go as expected, they panic. If one round looks good, they rush. Aviator should be viewed in sequences, not single moments. Always look at the bigger picture. Mistake number 5. Ignoring game phases. Aviator moves in phases, favorable and less favorable. A bad phase will not last forever. A good phase will not last forever either. Understanding this helps you stay balanced and calm. Mistake number 6. Playing with emotion. Emotion is one of the biggest enemies in Aviator. Excitement, frustration, or anger can cause bad decisions. Smart players stay neutral. If you feel emotional, the best move is to pause and observe. Mistake number 7. Not learning from history. The history panel exists for a reason. Ignoring it is a mistake. You don't need to memorize it, just understand behavior. Long low phases. Sudden changes. Stable sequences. This builds confidence over time. Safe tips to remember. Always observe before acting. Be patient during unstable phases. Treat patterns as guidance, not guarantees. Stay calm and unemotional. Learn from repetition. If you are new to Aviator, learning slowly is a strength, not a weakness. And if you want advanced educational content, you can check out the membership section on this channel, where everything is explained in more detail. Thank you for watching PinkMaster channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.